You know that feeling, right? That little jolt of panic when a glass of juice tips over, or you hear that awful scrape of a chair being dragged across your brand new floor. Just imagine this for a second. What if your floor was the one thing in your house you absolutely did not have to worry about? I mean, a surface that could handle pretty much anything life or your kids or your pets could throw at it and still look absolutely fantastic. That's the big idea we're going to dig into today. All right, first up, let's talk about protection. We're going to see how this flooring literally acts like a shield for your home, built to handle all the unexpected moments of daily life. Now just look at this number, 100%. So what on earth is it referring to? Yep, you guessed it, 100% waterproof. And I'm not talking about water resistant, where you have to frantically wipe up a spill in 3 seconds. No, we mean completely, totally 100% impervious to water. So what does that actually mean for you in the real world? It means that spilled juice, a leaky pipe, even a minor flood in the basement won't cause the floor to swell up or buckle or warp. And that means you can get that gorgeous, continuous wood or stone look all throughout your home, even in the kitchen, the bathrooms, and the basement. Now that is some serious peace of mind. And it's not just water. Think of it as a constant battle, your floor versus the daily grind. So when it comes to scratches and scuffs, it resists. Dents from dropped toys or furniture, it withstands. And as we just saw with spills and stains, it's completely impervious. This stuff is just built for real life. But being tough is only half the story, right? A floor is something you live on. You walk on it, you feel it every single day. So let's move on and look at the hidden benefits, the things that make your home a more comfortable place to be. So, how does it do this? Well, the secret is actually built right in. Most SPC flooring comes with an integrated underlay, and this one little layer does two amazing things at once. First, it gives you a bit of a cushion, which just feels so much better under your feet. And second, it absorbs sound, which dampens the noise of footsteps and makes your whole home feel quieter and more peaceful. And really, that's what it all comes down to, isn't it? Okay, and now for another level of comfort, especially for anyone living in a place that gets chilly. We all have that dream of stepping out of bed onto a nice warm floor in the morning. Well, SPC flooring is specifically made to work perfectly with underfloor heating systems. It's been tested to be safe, and its core material is fantastic at distributing that heat evenly across the whole room. So you get that consistent, cozy warmth without ever having to worry if you're damaging your floors. It's the best of both worlds. Okay, so we've got durable and we've got comfortable, but what about the installation? Because let's be honest, that can be a huge pain. Well, this brings us to another massive advantage. The installation is incredibly fast and easy. The technology that makes this possible is called a click lock system, and it's as simple as it sounds. The planks are designed to just click together. No messy glues, no nails, none of that. If you're a DIYer, it's an absolute dream. And if you're hiring a pro, it means they get the job done way faster, which often means you save on labor costs. So let's bring it all home. When you put all of these pieces together, the incredible protection, the built-in comfort, and the super fast installation, you start to see a really clear picture of a truly modern, smart flooring solution. And this table really sums it all up perfectly. Every feature directly connects to a real benefit for you. That 100% waterproof feature, that's your peace of mind. The high durability, that means a beautiful floor that actually lasts. The built-in underlay that gets you a quieter, more comfortable home. Heating compatibility gives you warm floors whenever you want them. And that click lock system, it just means you get to enjoy it all sooner. It really is a smart, stress-free choice. And all of this leaves us with one final thought. Think about how often we all say or hear, "Be careful in our homes. Be careful with that drink. Be careful with that toy."